I was sent this very cool device and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. This is everything they're going to send you. You're going to get the device itself. You're going to get mounting hardware, which is some very large lag screws, as well as a small Allen wrench. And that Allen wrench is to remove a bolt here that holds this little shim, which I'll show you here in a moment. And you're going to get an instruction manual, gives you clear guidance on how to install it and safely mount this to the wall to a 2x4, something like that. And then here's the device itself. It's all powder-coated steel, very rugged, very solid, nice thick 3/8 piece here, thinner pieces on the side, and a very thick 2-inch class style receiver hitch built in to the unit right here in the middle. You've got holes here for you to put your lag screws into the wall into a stud, so it can hold a ton of weight. If you put those 4 bolts in there, you're going to be able to hold a ton of weight. You can use a 2-inch style hitch into this. This is a receiver built with a class 2 to begin with, but if you want to put a 1-inch style like this, it's a little bit smaller. You're going to be able to use this adapter here, slide this in place here, screw that in to keep it nice and steady, and then you've got a 1-inch ability also. If you're not using this currently, you can just put it to the side, but on the side of the unit, as you can see here, very cool how they've got cutouts already for the 2-inch. You see that laser cut thing there, and the 1 1/4 here going across. So you can slide in your extra hitches into the side here. So you may have one stored here in the front, and then another one here on the side, and another one from 125 here on the side. And it's got their branding here etched into the top there as well. It's a really rugged device. Let's show you a couple ways that I'm using these at my house. In my storage shed here, I've mounted it on the wall on this 2x4, and I've got the unit with the spare adapter slid in there, and I'm holding the bike rack. And that bike rack just fits right into that class 2 receiver hitch there for the 2-inch. Got my pin so I don't lose that, and keeping my bike rack up and out of the way and stored real nicely here in this shed. Here I am in my barn, and I've got another one mounted up here. Right now, it's holding a cargo rack that goes into the hitch of my car. And so I'm just using that as a shelf now while it's in storage, and I can put stuff on top. Really cool. I just bolted that right in. It's solidly attached there using the mounting bolts that they provide into there, and it's really strong, and it does not waver. Got my pin there so I don't lose it. And that storage rack is, putting it to use while it's just waiting to be used on the back of my vehicle. So yeah, these are really handy devices. I highly recommend. Help yourself stay organized and put it to use when it's not on the road. Have a great day.